Okay guys, this is an update on my Cozy 4 build. Still working on the wings. I have cut out the ailerons, as you can see here. I have recessed the foam per plans, as well as recessed the foam in the wings slot. This is where the control mechanism attaches to the aileron. It comes through this hole here. So anyway, it pretty much took me all day to cut the ailerons out, and here they are right here. Still got some work to do on the ends here. And here's the other wing. Nice and smooth. What I've got to do next is to lay up 3 layers of fiberglass, bidirectional fiberglass, inside this trough here, and an extra layer at the top here where the hinges go. Okay guys, I just I put 3 layers of glass in this aileron wing slot, and I've got to put one more at the very top here where the hinges go. Let me zoom out so you can see what I'm talking about. And there's the aileron slot, and there it is, all glassed in. We're going to let that, I'm going to put one more layer up here where the hinges go, and then just a matter of letting it sit up. Worked on the ailerons today, and have just fitted the aileron to the wing. What I've done is put some Bondo in here to temporarily fasten the aileron to the hinges. Use these little hacksaw blades to help hold the hinge face flush with the aileron. This will be a temporary bond so that I can then take the aileron off and drill it. So, just an update, and I'm doing both wings at the same time. So, okay guys, I have the ailerons mounted to the wings, of course temporarily, but everything looks and moves good. There's no binding. The gaps, it seems, all look pretty good. Alright, so ailerons done. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe. That helps me out, helps me make these videos for you guys. All you got to do is click on this little Jeep up here in your top right corner, and I really appreciate that. See you in the next video.